Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to open a computer and access its cooling fan. Let's cut right into the intro. Accessing a computer's cooling fan is rather simple, so let's get right into it. Now first, we're going to obviously open the side where the cooling fan is. Let's put this down, and there are two screws here. Of course, there would be different screws on different cases, so you have to check your user manual, or if you made it your own, then, well, not made it your own, but rather have it custom built, then you should just basically check where the screws are. Now we should remove these two screws, and they should just come off like that. Then once you actually remove these two screws, you should be able to lift this, and it just comes off like that. But as I stated earlier, different cases may vary. Now that we have this opened, your fan is right here, obviously, and it's rather simple to actually just remove it in case you're going to replace something like your thermal paste. Now, once again, different cases may vary. So for this case, there's just a lock here where you should just pull that up, and that removes your fan. You just need this removed here. Now, by the way, you should hold your PC on the side or here, the case, so that you could avoid being grounded. Just remove it there, and that should come off like that. And as you can see, I still haven't replaced my thermal paste right there. I'll still replace it soon. But basically, that's how you access the fan, basically, yeah. And you could just put your thermal paste in case you're going to replace it. But there we go. Now to put it back, we're just going to put it back here. And there should be, you should just push it there and over here to lock. Yeah, there we go. In other certain cases, you have to remove some screws, but for this one, you just need to put it back, and it should lock like so. Just need to push this. There we go, and that is locked. Now to close it again, you just need to put it back, and obviously put back the screws. Then once you tighten them up, both of them, you should be good to go. Just make sure they're both tight, and there we are. We are done with opening and checking and accessing the CPU cooling fan. Anyways, that's about it. It would be great if you could follow me on Facebook, SoundCloud, and Twitter, as well as subscribing to my channel on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.